Hello guys, it's Neil Mukherjee here, and today we are going to make a raw charcoal sketch of our African baby having a bath. You can see the picture. Initially we'll start with the drawing. I'm just drawing it freehand without any measurements. You can use grid method for that. As always, we are starting the sketching from the eyes. Guys, as I am going to make a raw charcoal sketch, so I am not going to blend properly, otherwise the strokes won't appear. While doing the shading, you must have to observe the dark areas and the light areas. I'm using cotton earbud for light blending. You can use paper stump for that, and you can also make paper stumps at home. For that I have uploaded a video as well. You can check that in the card, and I'm going to put the link in the description as well. If you are making a sketch where teeth are showing, you must have to make the gums as well, otherwise it won't appear natural. I'm doing the strokes in the direction of the face. I'm making the first layer, blending it little bit just to add up the second layer. As I said earlier, always observe the light and dark areas. And if the skin is bending or stretching from some area, like in this sketch there is a stretch in the there is a bending in the forehead and the nose, you'll have to make that appear. You'll have to use dark shades for that. And while making the charcoal or graphite sketch, always use a paper, otherwise the sheet will become black because of the dust of the charcoal. And don't remain the teeth white, use some color for that, otherwise that will not look natural. I am adding the first layer. As I told, I'm making the raw sketch, so I'm doing just a little bit blending to add the next layers, not the proper. I'm going to give the link of the image in the description. If you want to try this image, if you want to draw it, you can easily take reference from there. Just because I am making raw sketch, that's why I am not using any professional pencil. The charcoal pencil I am using will cost you only 15 rupees per pencil in India. While doing the shading, don't shade dark at once in first stroke. Make the layers. If you want to make some area darker, use maximum layers on that. Okay, a little bit blending, but the strokes are clearly visible because it's a raw sketch. Now I am going to draw the water, and that's the most important part in this sketch. While drawing the water, you will have to use the white pencil at first, and while drawing the water, just look for the reference photograph and use the same colors and observe where the light is falling and the shaded areas as well, dark areas. I'm using white pencil. Now I am using correction pen or whitener in local language to highlight the water. I'm using kneaded eraser just to make some highlights. Okay, so the realistic feel of the water is clearly appearing. So there is a water line, a water droplet in outside area, and for that I'll have to make that area a bit of black, otherwise the water droplet won't appear. Using just light strokes and blending it a little bit. Fingers are also very good blenders. think that why raw sketch? Because if you visit to some exhibition or something, you will see lot of raw sketches there, because raw sketches have their own feel. While making water, you will just have to look for the lights, from where the light is falling, and according to that how the droplets will appear. Like I have made some more water droplets than the reference photograph, because I thought that there is need of some more. You can clearly see I am making some more droplets. Now using kneaded eraser for the highlights, because highlights are the most important thing while sketching. So we are removing the tape now. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And to keep watching, press the bell icon to get regular updates. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind.